Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today we are doing a ring pour. Now I've got these paints left over from the last video, so I'll show you what they are just in case you haven't seen that. So this one is the Cobalt blue, this one is the Prussian Phthalo blue, that one, which is transparent. This one is Greyish blue mixed with King's blue to get this color, and then this color here is all of these and white combined that I got from my last pour. And this one here is the Mont titanium white, and I've added some satin enamels to that one. Where is my satin enamels? So these two products here. I have also added water to all of these. Originally they were 1 part Floetrol, 1 part Liquitex pouring medium, and 2 parts Australian Floetrol. So that was the pouring medium that I used. I just was curious to see how that would work for any of these pours. So I've got my cup here. I'm going to layer these paints in, drop some of the white in to hopefully get a bit of a cloudy effect. Yeah, so let's get started. So I might actually end up starting with a straight pour. Not too sure. Now, last time I did this, I did it the back to front, so the colours that go in first come out last. So I think I want a high contrast in the middle. And go to dark again, and then I'm going to drop the white through the middle. Alright, going to dump a little bit of the white onto the canvas just to help with the spread. I've got a feeling there might be some bits in this. There's my tweezers. I think I need just a bit more. Let's start pouring this. I'm going to start with a straight pour, and I'm going to go, normally I go this way. Yeah, right, let's go this way. Let's start with a straight pour. You know what, because I've gone left-handed, I'm actually not sure if I'm going to be able to change it to a ring pour. So I'm not very good at doing a ring pour action. with my left hand. Let's try it. I was hoping this Prussian blue would give me a bit of that greeny colour. Nice. I think that's the best I've done actually. Okay, let's get the torch. Yeah, there's some nice stuff happening here. I do want to lay down a little bit of this around the edge, just as a bit of an extender. So I'm not actually going to do any messing or wrecking. I just purely want to see how this Satin Enamels works this way. Let's start tilting. Slowly going around in a circle. You can see the transparency there of the, is it the Prussian blue, I think. Kind of going on an oval because of the shape of this canvas. We have gone over one of the edges. Which I think maybe I should start going over the edges. Let's go this way. Bring it back to the middle. I think we'll go this way. Because that's going to look nice stretched out. Composition. I think I want the circle slightly off center, so that may be good. I'm just looking at it. Okay, here it is wet, and I'll bring you in for a closer look. So we've got some nice puffiness through here, and I really like the lines through here. And we've got some big clouds over here, and outlined with that cobalt blue. Then we've got the centerpiece that's slightly off center, which is what I wanted. Yeah, not too bad. So that's my second painting with those colors. I do have more left. So I'm going to try thinning them down more and trying out a pearl pour, which I haven't done before because I've already got the satin enamels in my white. So yeah, let's see how that goes. But before then, I will bring you back for the dry results. Okay, here are the dry results. Now, I think this has dried much better than the last painting, and I'd say it's because I thinned down the paints a bit. The other one was a little bit too thick, so it definitely helped with the way it dried. I'll show you the different orientations. This way is pretty good. I don't mind that way. Or that way, or that way. Actually, it's quite good that way. And probably maybe that way. I quite like the sharp lines through here, and these are quite sharp as well. So it was that contrast. I probably should have added another colour in the bottom before I added the white, I think, though, to get more variation of the colour through this main part. This is really soft up here. So this could have been where I mixed through the white a bit. And then we've got the blocks of cobalt blue through here. So yeah, not a bad little one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, the next one I'm going to have my first go at doing a pearl pour. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.